Hello, in this video we're going to discuss how to compute a confidence interval for the mean when sigma is unknown. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this data into Statcrunch, and you could also do Excel, but in this video I'm going to demonstrate Statcrunch. So I click on the little box, click on Open Statcrunch. And now all of those values are already preloaded into Statcrunch. Since we're going to use a t-distribution, we'll go to Stat, t-stats, one sample, and here we have data, so I'm going to click the with data. And we've got our data in the column called variable 1, so that's good. And what we want to do here is we want to do a confidence interval, and the problem asked us for a 99% confidence interval. Okay, so we've got some values here, and I'm going to see if I can put those on the edge of my screen, and then we can go back to type in the values. So we're looking at 19.62, and it says round to one decimal place, so we'll round that 19.6, and then the upper limit is a 22.99, and if I want to round that to one decimal place, that would be a 23.0.